Tell us your name and tell us about your project.
My name is Hans Geiger and I work with Ernest Marsden at the University of Manchester. Our experiment is known as the Geiger-Marsden experiment, where we aim to see how alpha particles interact with matter.
What were you guys trying to do or find?
We were trying to see how alpha particles behave when they pass through matter. At the time, the popular plum pudding model suggests that atoms were mostly a soft cloud of positive charge with embedded electrons. We wanted to see if this was true or if the alpha particles suggested something else.
When did your experiments occur?
Our experiments were conducted between 1909 and 1913 at the University of Manchester in England.
What other events were happening around the time of your experiment?
Political tensions rose, sparking World War I in 1914. Alongside a publication on special relativity theory published by Albert Einstein beforehand in 1905, this aided in the creation of the quantum theory.
Who else did you work with on the project?
I worked very closely with Ernest Marsden, who was a very brilliant man, but overseeing us was Ernest Rutherford, who oversaw all the data and created all the experiments.
What were you responsible for?
I was responsible for much of the hands-on work, like designing the detection setup and counting the alpha particles by eye. I will help develop one of the first particle detectors, which was later known as the Geiger counter.
What effect did your work have on the physics community?
Our work completely changed how scientists viewed the atom. They have tiny, dense, positively charged nuclei, which isn't what the plum pudding model described. This directly led to Rutherford's nuclear model and the atom, and paved the way for modern atomic theory, quantum mechanics, and nuclear physics.
What surprised you most during the experiment?
The most surprising moment was when we saw alpha particles being deflected almost straight back. That told us something profound was hiding inside the atom, something much heavier and denser than we imagined.